Hello, ASA parents. It's Karen Sitko, and I just want to run through very quickly to show you how you can add separate users for each Gmail user or ASA student in your household. I always recommend for students that you use Google Chrome because that's what students are most used to. It will emulate most closely what they have been using on their Chromebooks. So let's take a look at where you get that if you don't already have that on your computer. If you navigate to chrome.google.com, I will put that in the comments of this video. You will get to this screen. You can download Chrome. It's going to ask you to install it. There will be a prompt for either Windows or a Mac. So you could install it on either or. And once you've done that, it's going to ask you to log in and set up Chrome. So you'll probably want to log in with one of the parent accounts. Once you've done that, when your children come to do their schoolwork, they're going to try and access their own account. It's best that they have their own login. So how can you tell who's logged into Chrome? If you will see either an avatar, if your child has added an avatar, or if you have added an avatar to your account, or you're going to see an initial up here. That's going to tell you who's logged in. If you don't see either of those things and you just see a silhouette, nobody is logged in. So tap on this icon or this initial, not this one down here, but this one up here is the one that gets you logged into Chrome. If it's a silhouette, tap that and it will prompt you to log in. If someone is logged in, their information is going to appear here. That's how you can tell who is logged in. So now, say you are logged in as a parent and your child wants to access their ASA schoolwork and their ASA account. If you have already added an account for them, they can just select it from here, or in the process of adding a user, you can add a shortcut on your desktop for them as well. They can get to it either way, and we'll go over that in a minute. If you haven't yet added one, you'll scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap or click Add. You can put your child's name in. I'm going to use my friend Hayden with his mother's permission. And right here is where it's going to tell you it will create a desktop shortcut for that specific login. So your child can access it that way. You're going to tap Add. It's going to open a whole new window. So your window is still open. This is where I was logged in. This is the new one it has just added. Your child already is a Chrome user. So you're going to tap on this link right here. And you're going to sign them in. So like I said, I'm going to log in as my friend Hayden with his mother's permission. I'm going to put in the entire email address. And your child's email is their full first name and their full last name at dogrschools.org. Then I'm going to put the password in. And very important, you want to link data because that's going to give your child the all-important dogrschools.org bookmarks. And yes, you want to turn on sync as well. So now all your child's bookmarks appear here, and this is what they're used to seeing. So once again, you can see now Hayden doesn't have an avatar, he just has an initial. And if you wanted to switch accounts, you could choose your own account and switch back to that. I'm going to minimize this a minute. This is my original window that I had open. I'm going to minimize this as well. And you can see that Hayden now has a shortcut on the desktop. That is the easiest way and cleanest way to toggle between different Gmail accounts in Chrome. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email, and I'll have my email address also in the comments of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps.